Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we will discuss about notes application apps coming. In notes we can manage things and we can remind things, and so many things we can manage in the notes. Note is a very small application, and here we can write down so many things there. If we are going to the Google playlist, if I'm typing here notes, I've typed there note app whatever. See, I simply type there to note. I've been searching, then I got so many note application. And either one you can select which one is free. You can use this one. Evernote is very best application, and this color note also is a very best application. Then Notepad, this is also notes with the reminder. This is also very best application. Anyway, I have already installed one application in my mobile. I will show you that application. That is, there is Note. I'm just clicking Note application, and how you can create note. There's a plus sign button is there. You can create new note. I'm just clicking plus button. Then you can put so many things there as a reminder. Whatever you want to perform, you can put. I'm just putting dummy something. See, in this way I can put, and I can save this note, and so you can save so many things in this note. I'm just closing the note application. Now this page is there, and in future you can open the page, and you can check your things what you mentioned there. Similarly, we can delete also note. I'm just clicking this one, then there is a delete box is there. I press simply delete button, it's deleted. So you can use this note application for your reminder, for your to-do list, about task, what task you want to perform, and you can easily manage this application in your mobile. Thank you so much for watching this video.